Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Hypershift shortcuts for Razer BlackWidow V3. And to do this, we'll need to download Razer Synapse app on our PC. I have it right here. Click on your keyboard in the dashboard, and on the bottom we have a standard and Hypershift key. If you enable it, you'll be able to use this button right here. It's FN, and this, when you hold it and press any of the keys that you've made the shortcut with that button, this will allow to use many different shortcut keys. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.